It's Tranthon, and today we're tackling a problem that keeps so many of you up at night: sudden, excruciating leg cramps. But what if the solution isn't in a pill bottle, but right on your plate? Today, I'll reveal 3 powerful foods that can help prevent muscle cramps and keep your legs strong and healthy. These are simple, natural solutions, especially important for seniors. You'll be surprised how a few dietary tweaks can transform your quality of life. Stick around for practical tips, and if you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Ready to take control of your muscle health? Let's dive in. Let's get started. Our first powerhouse food, the humble egg. Eggs are one of the most complete and affordable sources of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and strength. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, making its protein highly bioavailable for your muscles. As we age, muscle loss, sarcopenia, becomes a real threat. Consistent protein from eggs helps fight this, keeping muscles strong and less prone to cramping. Eggs also deliver vitamin D, crucial for muscle function and bone health, and B12, which supports nerve signals that control muscle contractions. Worried about cholesterol? Modern research shows eggs have minimal impact on blood cholesterol for most people. Moderation is key. If you have specific health conditions, always consult your doctor. But for most, an egg a day is a safe, nutritious choice. Eggs are versatile, scrambled for breakfast, hard-boiled as a snack, or added to salads and veggie-packed omelets. Try mashing eggs with avocado for a healthy twist on egg salad, adding even more muscle-friendly nutrients. The point: eggs aren't just for breakfast. They're an affordable, convenient way to fuel your muscles. Make eggs a regular part of your diet, and you're actively supporting muscle strength, nerve health, and bone density. Every egg is a step toward fewer cramps and better mobility. Consistency matters. Healthy habits build resilient muscles over time. Challenge yourself. Try a new egg recipe this week and notice the difference in your energy and strength. It's not about expensive supplements. It's about real whole foods. Eggs have nourished people for centuries. Now they're your ally against leg cramps. Next up, a fruit famous for fighting cramps, but with benefits that go beyond potassium. Stay with me. Our second food is the classic banana, a favorite among athletes for good reason. Bananas are rich in potassium, an electrolyte vital for smooth muscle contractions and preventing cramps. But they also provide magnesium, which helps muscles relax after contracting. Think of potassium as the go and magnesium as the stop for your muscles. Bananas also offer vitamin B6, supporting nerve signals that keep muscle movements coordinated and cramp-free. Hydration matters too. Bananas are about 75% water, and their carbs help your body absorb fluids and electrolytes. Dehydration is a major cause of cramps, so bananas help on multiple fronts. 1 banana a day is a great, safe addition for most seniors, easy to digest, portable, and affordable. If you have diabetes, opt for less ripe bananas and pair with protein or healthy fat to slow sugar absorption. Always consult your doctor or dietitian for personalized advice. Bananas are versatile: slice over oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or freeze for a healthy treat. The real power of bananas is their synergy: potassium, magnesium, B6, carbs, and hydration all working together. Make bananas a regular snack, and you're actively supporting muscle health and energy. It's a simple, delicious step toward cramp-free nights and better mobility. Next, let's talk about a food group packed with the mineral most people overlook: magnesium. Our third and final group, nuts and seeds. Nature's magnesium powerhouses. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation. Deficiency is a common cause of persistent cramps, especially in seniors. As we age, absorption drops and some medications deplete magnesium, making dietary sources even more important. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, and cashews are top choices. Just a small handful provides a significant magnesium boost. Pumpkin seeds are especially potent, delivering nearly 40% of your daily magnesium in 1 ounce. Nuts and seeds also offer potassium, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory omega-3s, all supporting muscle and overall health. Healthy fats in nuts and seeds help reduce inflammation, easing muscle pain and sensitivity. Eat a variety: almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, chia, flax, and walnuts for a broad nutrient spectrum. A daily ounce, about a small handful, is enough. Watch portions as they're calorie-dense. If chewing is difficult, try nut butters, no added sugar oil, or ground seeds in yogurt or smoothies. Choose raw or dry roasted, unsalted varieties to avoid excess sodium and unhealthy oils. Sprinkle nuts and seeds on salads, oatmeal, or enjoy as a snack. Combine all 3 foods: eggs for protein, bananas for electrolytes, and nuts, seeds for magnesium and healthy fats. This trio builds a strong, resilient defense against leg cramps. You're not just treating symptoms, you're nourishing your body at the root. Start small. Add one of these foods to your routine this week and notice the difference. Health is a journey. Every step counts. You have the power to reclaim your nights and move with confidence. There you have it. 3 natural, delicious foods to help you beat leg cramps for good. Eggs, bananas, and nuts, seeds. Simple changes, big results. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more health tips. Share your experiences or questions in the comments. I read everyone. Your feedback shapes our content and helps this community grow. Stay tuned for more practical advice to keep you healthy and active. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's to stronger muscles and cramp-free nights.